Hey you guys, Amber J here from BestBetTradess, just coming on to give you guys an update on how we made out today. And boy, what a chop fest it was in the market today. So if you made it out alive, congratulations. And I'm sure today would have been the day to be practicing some serious discipline. So when we trade, we get call and put triggers by Gundy, but we use those with Gundy's indicators. And there were really only a couple of good setups that would have been played today. I know Gundy played Tesla this morning, so I'll go over Tesla a little bit, but the calls were triggered and the puts were triggered, and it hit the first price target on the on Tesla for the puts, but I'll show you how you could have played it. So like if you can see, it was just kind of choppy in here today. It was really hard to get a read on which direction that the market was going in. So I don't really like to trade the first candle, but if you do, we got the sell in pre-market and then we got the buy when the market opened, and you could have rolled that up for a quick scalp up, but then it was just choppy, 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 and then finally we did get the sell signal. I'll put my the MACD RSI on, but we finally did get the sell signal here. That would have been a really good entry once it got below the 50 to get in and ride it down to the 200. But as you can see, it bounced off of that 200 EMA, which is really strong support. And the next candle closed and above it. So you probably were okay to get into calls at that point and ride it up off of the bounce of the 200. Once we got the buy and the cross of the EMAs, it was a little bit safer and you could have rolled that up for another profit. But for the most part, in the afternoon, like we normally like to trade in the morning, and then the afternoon, it's just chop fest. There's not a whole lot of movement, and as you can see near the end of the day, it was just choppy as well. So really not ideal for trading in the afternoon. Anytime really past like 11:30, we pretty much pack it in for the day because movement is in the mornings, and it typically always is, and then after that it kind of settles down. And today was a perfect example of that, which was just if get in and get out with your profits today, because it was just pretty choppy, range bound today. And as you can see, even with SPY, I'll show you SPY here. Like, look, just chop, 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 chop. There's like the only entries that I can see would be, yeah, like this morning it wasn't very good until we got this sell signal here and the EMAs crossed to the downside, the 9 and the 21. You could have gotten in and rode down to some puts here. And then after we got the buy and it closed above the 50 EMA, you could have gotten into calls and rode it up to the previous day high, which would have been a really good scalp. But for the most part, it was just very, very choppy. SPY went from 408.10 to 411.29, which really is not a whole lot of movement. If you know SPY, it moves typically more than that. So just choppy day all around today, guys. I just wanted to let you guys know that that's a good day to practice some serious good discipline. We did get movement on AMC though, which I found interesting at the end of the day. Let me pull up AMC here, because I know some people in our Discord, we love AMC. So look what happened at the end of the day. It squeezed right up to $7.33, but then it's kind of come down after hours and it's just like consolidating here at the previous day high. So we'll see what happens tomorrow and see what it does. But I was actually really surprised to see that little rip up on AMC at the end of the day. But if you caught that, congratulations. But really awesome rip up for AMC, and happy for the AMC ape people who are holding on for a short squeeze. Anyways, that's pretty much all I got for you guys today. I just wanted to remind you guys to practice discipline, and we are trading futures in our group as well. So if you guys are interested in trading futures, we're more than welcome to join us. Just click on the link below and you can join our Discord free for 30 days. You get access to all of Gundy's call put triggers, our video lesson library with the A1 setups and what we look for, access to Gundy's indicators, live trading every single day, live on voice channel, just very experienced traders in here. So just a really great group of people. So if you're interested to join us, do yourself a favor and click on the link below. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain. That's all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys have a great night, and I'll talk to you guys all tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye.